Okay, everybody, this is day 2. I made a mess. So I did pull off the brackets and all the hardware because it was just too rusty, but nothing broke, so that's a good thing. So I cleaned them up. They look a lot better than what they did. Right now I'm sanding down the braces for the tabletop, and those are the legs. Haven't even touched them yet. You can see the blue tinge to most of them. Tabletop itself, I've sanded it. I'm going to do some more work on that. And all this veneer that was on the bottom shelf that just kept flaking off, well, this is solid oak. And unfortunately, when I pulled off the veneer, all the glue that was holding this together was already disintegrating, so it fell apart. And I'm re-gluing it, this time with Gorilla Glue, so it should be better. And there's the hardware that I'll reuse that's soaking, because I didn't want to go out and try to buy everything brand new. I did buy a few screws to mount that chair, or this middle shelf, lower shelf, back onto the table, because the other ones were too short and all bent and nasty. So made a mess, broke the shelf, but I'll fix it. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So turned into a bigger job than I thought, but then again, I did kind of break it myself. So anyhow, hope you all have a great day. If you got any comments or questions, just go ahead and give me a comment and I'll answer you. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you later.